So in this video we are going to look into the outline of Atom IDE. So let's go in and create a HTML PHP file with HTML content, and in here we are going to have a paragraph of hello world, and then we need to go up here and say view and toggle outline. So basically the outline isn't really functional that well with HTML code, so we need to go in actually and create a new file that only contains PHP, which is just going to be called app.php, and then we're going to have a class in here. So again, doesn't work with HTML, but if you create a class in here, you can then create a function, and then basically the outline, if we got in and created a lot of random functions like function XML, function PHP, function HTML, and so on, what would be discovered is that we would have a long line of code, which then at some point would be really annoying because we wouldn't be able to just scroll through the code really easy. So where the outline come in and help you is you can basically jump from one section to another section without having to scroll the code. You just have to scroll this one simple one here that then just will say stuff here. And this is really a good thing to actually help you keep a structure over your code. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.